It's that time of year again, and Ulta is selling their annual beauty boxes. And I'm going to review these 3 beauty boxes for you. The Beauty Box Caboodle Edition, the Beauty Box Artist Edition, and the newly released Beauty Box Pixar Edition. Ulta has just released their new collaboration with Disney's Pixar, including Toy Story Collection, Finding Nemo Collection, and Monsters Inc. It is so cute, and if you're a Disney fan like myself, you're going to love this collection. This video is also a special one for me because it marks 1 year since I started doing YouTube. The beauty boxes that I reviewed last year was the first video that I did, and you can check out that video linked in the description box. In the past year, I've done beauty videos, recipe videos, and lots of vlog videos, so check them out. But today I'm going to go through each of these beauty boxes and show you what's inside of each, so keep watching. This is the Beauty Box Caboodles edition in pink. It's got the light pink color on top and the hot pink in the bottom, and a really sparkly silver knob here. The Beauty Box Caboodles edition comes in 2 colors, the pink and the gold. It has the Caboodles and Ulta Beauty logo in the front, and this beauty box is $29.99. It comes in the iconic Caboodles case, and when you open it, you find lots of makeup inside. The Beauty Box Caboodles edition, let's open this. Just like any other caboodle, there are 2 layers of storage space. It has a flip lid mirror in here and a removable accessories tray. There are actually 36 pieces of makeup in here, and they're all from Ulta. On the top here, you have the dual eye and brow pencil in black and dark brown. And this is the dual lip liner in rose and peony. And when you open the mirror lid, the lip gloss in rose, the lip gloss in peony, the lip oil in peach, and the lip oil in strawberry. And those are in this removable accessories tray. And on this layer, you have 3 brushes, the brow brush, the eyeshadow brush, and the blush brush. And this is a liquid brush in peach shimmer. Moving on to the bottom, we have 2 lip balms, a face primer, and eyeshadow primer. This is the brow palette. You have the brow wax and the brow powders here. In this palette, you have the bronzer, the blushes, and a shimmering highlighter. And over here, we've got 18 different colors of eyeshadow. You've got some matte colors and some shimmering color. It is very pretty. This is perfect for traveling. You've got everything you need right here in this box. Now let's move on to the Beauty Box Artist Edition. The one I have here is called Holographic. It's in silver color. It also comes in 2 colors, the silver color and the black color. This one doesn't have any logos on the outside, so if you're somebody who doesn't like logos, this is the one to go. This beauty box is also $29.99. In fact, all of these 3 beauty boxes that I'm showing you today are $29.99. The Beauty Box Artist Edition, let's open it. These are 4 fold-out trays that you can pull out and store makeup inside. When you open this case, you'll find 44 pieces of makeup inside. All of the makeup here are Ulta's own brand. We've got lots of makeup on the side and brushes in the middle. On the left side, you have 18 different colors of eyeshadow, including lots of mattes and lots of shimmers. Here you have the brow wax, the brow powders, and these are glitter top coats. Very pretty. On the other side, you have the bronzers and blushes. The 2 bronzers, 4 blushes in peach pink, rose, and nude pink, and the 2 highlighters in rose gold and gold. Here you have the gel eyeliners in black, brown, purple, and navy, and 2 more glitter top coats here in champagne and copper. In the middle, there are 2 brushes, the blush brush and the eyeshadow brush. This is the dual lip liner in coral and berry, and this is the eyeshadow primer. On this side, we have 2 lip glosses in coral and berry. Then you close it up like this. I'm so happy that this year Ulta made their Artist Edition beauty box opaque. If you watched the video that I reviewed last year, their Artist Edition beauty box was see-through and see what's actually inside your case. I want to show you the size difference between this beauty box and the Caboodles Love Truck train case. Let's compare the size difference of this beauty box to Caboodles Love Truck train case. When you put it side by side, you can see very clearly the size difference. The Caboodles Love Truck train case has 6 trays and opens up like this. And it also comes with keys that you can lock your train case. Even though it looks similar on the outside, when you put it side by side, you can really see the size difference here. The Love Struck train case has 6 trays and holds a lot more makeup, and this was the one that I actually ended up using for my daughter's dance recital. The last beauty box I'm reviewing today is the Beauty Box Pixar Edition. It's Ulta's exclusive collaboration with Disney's Pixar. This collaboration includes a whole collection of makeup and accessories, including Finding Nemo makeup brushes, Toy Story eyeshadow palette, and a lot more. It is super cute, and if you're a Disney fan, definitely check it out. So this Pixar Edition beauty box is actually Monsters Inc. themed. You can see the little M logos throughout, and it has a Pixar logo on the bottom. This case is pastel purple on the bottom and white on top with little flowers throughout. It is so pretty. And it's got a double zipper that goes all the way around. This is the Beauty Box Pixar Edition. You can see the Monsters Inc. logo here and the Pixar logo here. Lots of shimmering flowers on top, very pretty. The 2 zippers that goes all the way around. Inside this beauty box, there's a small mirror attached to the lid, and you have the Monsters Inc. characters all around here. And there are 2 fold-out trays. It's got 36 pieces of makeup in here, and most of the makeup here are Disney Pixar themed. On this side, you have the Pixar palette with a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter, 2 brushes, a blush brush and eyeshadow brush, and it's in very pretty purple color. On the other side, there's the eyeshadow primer with a cute monster on here, the liquid blush with Monsters Inc. logo. These are the glitter top coats with the Monsters Inc. logo. This is the berry scented lip balm. It's got Pixar here too. This is a brow gel, a brow palette with brow wax and brow powders. In the middle, we have 2 lip glosses and 2 lip oils. All of them says Pixar on the bottom and with the flowers on top. And we have a really pretty Monsters Inc. inspired eyeshadow palette. There's a cute monster here. It says Pixar, and it's got 15 different colors, including some mattes and some shimmering colors. And down here, we have a dual eyeliner in onyx and sapphire. This is another dual eyeliner in turquoise and amethyst. This is so cute. This beauty box was actually bigger than I thought it would be, and the material is really nice too. It's definitely a water-resistant material. So which one's your favorite beauty box? For me, I probably have to say the Pixar Edition is my favorite. I just love the pastel purple color. It's so pretty. And this is an exclusive limited collection, and I'm a huge Disney fan. So this is definitely my favorite out of the 3. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. I want to point out that, like last year, the palettes in the Artist Edition doesn't have a case. It is stored in a very thin plastic that is very flimsy and not ideal for travel. Let me show you. It looks like this in a very thin plastic container. It's not stored in a case, which is not ideal for travel. And all of these 4 palettes in the Artist Edition are like this, which are soft and flimsy. And that's another reason why I don't prefer this Caboodle, the Artist Edition, the small size, and the fact that this doesn't come in a case. Let me show you the palettes in these 2 beauty boxes. In the Pixar Edition, you can see that it comes in a beautiful case. It's actually magnetic. And it's very easy to just take this with you for travel. And the same with the Caboodles Edition. These palettes all come in a case. You can just take this to go, very easy for traveling. And that's the case with all of the palettes in here. They all come in cases that you can just take with you and throw in your travel bag, and you're good to go. I absolutely love all 3 of these beauty boxes. I think they pack so much value in them, and they make such great gifts. Comment down below to tell me which one's your favorite. Check out the video I did on the beauty boxes last year. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!